Welcome to the Phil 5000 Duo, your brand new state-of-the-art packing machine. After opening the box, put it onto a smooth surface and place it upside down, ensuring that the flaps are on the outside of the box. Remove the box from the machine by lifting upwards carefully. Now take the funnel from the square box that's inside the trolley stand and attach to the machine, ensuring that the lip of the funnel is on the outside of the machine. Take the trolley stand and place on the base of the machine and attach using the 4 clips. You can now move the machine into the upright position using the trolley stand. This requires 2 people. Now attach the lid to the hopper using the button screws, ensuring the gate on the top hopper is facing towards the plastic viewing window. Visually check the internals to ensure all ports are connected to the computer and the power outlet. Once you have checked the internal wiring, attach the lid to the machine with the plastic viewing window closest to the front of the machine, securing it using the 4 clips. Now remove the 8 transit bolts painted red using the spanner and Allen key provided. The transit bolts are located underneath the machine. Get the power cable and the foot pedal and plug the power cable into the socket and the foot pedal into the connector on the machine. Now turn your machine on in preparation for calibrating it. You can find the calibration instructions on page 7 of your machine manual. Once your machine is calibrated, load your ingredients into the top of the machine. You can use the gate on the top hopper to adjust the flow of your ingredients through the machine. By using the plus and minus buttons on the control panel, you can adjust the weight that you want the machine to weigh out to. When you are ready, press the start button on your machine and it will start to weigh out your ingredients. When your machine has finished weighing out, press the foot pedal and it will dispense your ingredients. With the Fill 5000 Duo, there is a switch inside which allows you to switch between simultaneous dispenses or alternate dispenses. This gives you greater freedom over the weights and ingredients that you pack.